I took my first RAC exam in 2013. That was the US exam, and then I got another certification for RAC's drugs in 2019. The first one I took was quite early in my career. At that time, I wanted to continue to build my foundation in regulatory affairs, but another key reason was to get that competitive advantage. Since I was very early in my career, I had limited industry experience, and I felt like the RAC helped somewhat accelerate that or bridge some of that gap for me. The next certification attempt was primarily for continued education, to stay in that habit of reading and learning, and just to showcase my commitment to continued learning in regulatory affairs. It was a comprehensive approach because regulatory, and I use the example of regulatory affairs certification in drugs because it captures drug development from across the world, US, EU, Canada, and other regulatory authorities' knowledge. It involved a comprehensive preparation strategy too. I reviewed all of the RAPS materials, all of the foundational books for US, EU, Canada, and rest of the world. I also reviewed important regulatory guidances just to make sure that I have a deeper understanding of some of the regulatory requirements, especially the ones that kept showing up on the practice tests. I cannot emphasize enough on the importance of those practice tests because I took them several times. It helped me get familiarized with the test environment. It also, at the end of each practice test, you get the score breakdown for each of the categories, the recall and analysis. So knowing that background helped me plan the next steps of my preparation. So RAPS materials, the practice exam were very helpful. I also want to give a shout out to my employers for their support because their support came in the form of getting enterprise membership. So that helped me get access to all the necessary resources. At one of my previous employers, we had study groups with other colleagues and other opportunities to attend workshops or RAP seminars. So overall, all of that contributed to a great conducive learning environment. And I got access to all of the necessary resources and support to prepare for my RAC exam. I think the RAC credential has been instrumental in my professional development. I think the rigorous preparation for the exam instilled in me a habit of retaining crucial facts and information from a guidance set. Even to this day, I automatically register or pay attention to duration of a certain type of submission review or criteria for a particular regulatory designation. So this has not only enhanced my day-to-day job, but also empowers me to think on the spot, have that agility in addressing regulatory questions. The credential itself holds a lot of esteem and prestige. And when you put it on your resume, it helps you get that advantage and shine across. As well as that, coupled with the cognitive agility that I've gotten just through the rigorous preparation, has just proven invaluable in navigating the intricacies of my profession.